Okay, Santa, okay. I got you covered. Hey! It's okay, Santa, you fat milk. Oh, hi. Well, Santa just gave me orders, I guess you would say, to make Christmas candy. I don't make Christmas candy. I'm an elf. But I'm gonna do it. So what I have here is a crock pot. And I'm gonna put it up on high. Yes, it is. It's on high. Do you ever have your beard slip down below your mouth? Probably not. It's an elf thing. So I've got this almond bark. Make your own. So I'm going to cut this open without cutting my finger open. Because it's almost Christmas. And that would not be a very good gift. I guess Santa might like it. He and I are not on good terms here lately. I'm on the permanent naughty list. I'm going to take this almond bark. So I have a knife. Take a chunk. Take another chunk. I think I'm going to use half this. I'll put it in there. And it's got to set for 30 minutes while it melts. Maybe I'll use one more chunk. Yeah. That'll leave me enough for later for snacks. An awful big snack. But I'm an awful big elf. So, that's it for right now. It's in there for a half hour. I guess y'all can wait for me. Or we can use Santa's magic. Here we go. Poof. Okay, Santa. Okay. I'm checking it. Yeah, I got the spoon cam. Santa wants me to use this thing. This spoon cam. So let me make sure this thing works. The spoon cam. Well, it comes on. And there we go. Alright, I'm going to use the spoon cam like Santa asked. You ready? Here we go. Oh, some of it's melted. But not all of it. Spinning around a little bit here. It's almost ready, Santa. Yes, I'm stirring it. He's a slave driver. Okay, almost. Tell you what I'm gonna do. So I don't get any beard hair in it. Let me go ahead and dump some peanuts in it. Put that spoon cam right there. That ought to be enough. Let me add just a little bit more. That's nuts. It is. Okay. Let me put the lid back on and get rid of the spoon cam. Let me show you how to do this. Let me take the lid off. And you just take your spoon and dip in and put some in a cup. That's all there is to it. Put them in a cup. And just keep doing that until you got them done. See there? And all of a sudden, you got homemade candy. So, I'll be back after I fill these, okay? Yeah, I'm working on them, Santa. What? You want some for the naughty list? Okay. This whole woke thing. Santa says we have to make candy for everybody. Good boys and bad boys. And girls. So he wants some for the naughty list. I have ground chipotle chili. This should be good. Oh. This is for little Tommy and little Janie. All the bad little boys and girls. Yeah. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're all awake. He knows when you've been bad or good. But you're still getting candy this year. Whatever it takes. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Let me flip this around. Maybe I should get a little beard hair and the little bad boys and little bad girls candy too. Maybe some more peanuts though, you know? Yeah. Yeah, because they've been bad. We'll give them some more peanuts. Yeah, so they think they're getting a treat. Yeah. There we go. Okay, well, I'm going to keep filling these cups up, and you get the idea. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and click on that other guy's little face over here, over here, over here, and he'll see you next time. Merry Christmas. Bye.